Crypto here. In this video, we are going to be taking a good look at Ethereum, as you can see right here. Now, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. We all know that tariff war and every other thing. So the big question now is, okay, this trend line, it has been invalidated, so I'll be taking that away. All we are left with right now is Fibonacci, as we all can see. I don't know if this is actually right, but if I go to the monthly time frame, let me go to the 3 hours time frame just to be sure. Okay, we could see right here that this was kind of altered. I don't know how that happened. I'm very sorry. And yeah, so here we have it. We are at the current support right here. This is a level of support that we all need to know. As we can see at the Fibonacci retracement, as we all can see right here, we're at a very good level. And I've been telling us that all this while I was thinking that 1.5 was actually the good support, not knowing that it was actually 1,450. I think I said 1,450. I guess I'm very sorry. I didn't know that Fibonacci was kind of altered. I'm very sorry about that. I'm very sorry about that. So now we are on track right now. We can see right here. If I should take this away right here for this chart to be clear, we can see where we currently are. So now the question is it has Ethereum bottomed out? Guys, this is the right time to buy Ethereum. This is the right time to buy ETH. I saw a comment the last time in my Ethereum video. Someone was asking if he should sell his ETH or will ETH go to zero. If you still have that mentality in 2025 that Ethereum will go to zero, then I'm sorry to say, I am very sorry to say, guys, you need to start all over. You need to start all over understanding what is cryptocurrency, what is Ethereum, what is Bitcoin. You need to start all over, going ahead to download Bitcoin's white paper, Ethereum's white paper. You just need to take a sit back and don't invest in crypto. Use a year to study crypto. Even if crypto goes as high as it wants to go, whatever goes up will definitely come down. So take some time, study the market, know what you are investing in before putting your money. Don't invest because other people are investing. Know what you are investing in before you invest. And I have nothing to say other than this is a buy opportunity. This is the perfect time for you to buy ETH. As you can see, we'll be getting some touches here. We'll be getting some touches here and there, and but this right here, it doesn't matter, though I can include it, but I don't want it to be distracting because left to me it doesn't matter. I'm supposed to take this away right now because all that matters right now, I'm even supposed to take this away right now. I'm supposed to take that away because going to the weekly, we could see right here that I think if I'm to even add another EMA right here, 200 EMA, we might actually see that it's probably on 200 weekly moving average. But that aside, this is currently where we are right now at the market. We could see right here, I think there's a level of support here. Yes, there is some level of support right here. So I might want to put something here just for the short term. But we all know that this is currently where we're trading within this range, 1,450 to 2,002. Now we're at a level of support right now. Worst case scenario, we're definitely going to drop all the way down to 1,158. The question now is the tariff going on between the US and China right now, whereby I don't know if the effect has taken place whereby US wants to impose 104 tariff on China simply because China does not want to ask for renegotiation with the US president. So that will cause a lot of fraud and uncertainty. But most countries are actually knocking on US door, asking them for a renegotiation of this tariff. So, which is very, very good. Which is very, very good. It's kind of de-escalating the uncertainty currently that we have in the market, the fear and all what's not. It is a form of de-escalation because starting with the S&P 500, like I said, I still feel this was an overreaction, and based on my analysis on my S&P 500, you could see that it actually hits this particular spot. Yeah, though my Fibonacci might not be perfect or accurate, but we could see that it actually hits that spot, and I'm happy it did. I'm happy it did hit this price target range, though it wasn't precise, but yeah, I'm very happy it did. Now, going back to ETH, we will see right here that at the end of the day, it all depends on the fundamentals, guys. It all depends on the fundamentals. I wouldn't say we should expect a big move from here. We might actually consolidate within this range for a while, which I actually want to open a long position on ETH, but I don't know when the money I'm expecting will definitely come in. But maybe a consolidation, because we need China to come to an agreement with US, because China and US and the European nations, those are the biggest markets that moves the world. So US needs to come into a good conclusion with China, and China needs to have to listen to US for the meantime, for there to be an agreement, because at the end of the day, it is the regular Joe that is suffering, the regular Joe that will pay for all this tariff and all what's not. So yeah, that's just all I have to say. Imagine something that was worth $50 is now worth $150. That's a lot. So at the end of the day, it is the regular Joe, people who can't afford regular meal, who can't afford regular stuffs, regular products for their day-to-day activities to survive, that will suffer it the most, not this president. Though what USA is doing is kind of good. We can't really blame the US, but at the end of the day, we need a form of reconciliation within this tariff about this tariff war. So now for ETH, I would say we have to consolidate. Maybe things should go south with US and maybe some other countries. We could get a move like this. So for now, I would say the market is kind of okay. The market is trying to recover right now. Worst case scenario right now, which it won't be bad for us to see how many moves to the downside, how many percent moves to the downside, roughly 21%, 20% moves to the downside, which is going to be high because I have a long position on Solana, and worst case scenario, we'll definitely see it all the way down to $1,000 and $1,158, or roughly $160. But if the market decides that this is the bottom, then but I don't think so, because I think that will be a form of consolidation. But if this is going to be the bottom, then I would say we might probably get a move like this, because currently we are definitely going to consolidate until China comes in terms with US term. So we have to consolidate for a while, break out, then we can now think of going to 2,200, which is our next price target if we happen to break here. But while we're breaking here, we need to break this range, which is the 1,600 range, with volume. We need to break it with volume, though this yellow line here is not actually meant to be here. Yeah, it's not actually meant to be here. I just included it here just for short term sake, if we are to be trading, checking it from the daily. Yes, do not forget that things can also go bearish from here immediately. Things can go south from here. So we need 2 confirmation candles on the daily, if not we're getting a move like this. So at the end of the day, we all have to trade cautiously. You have to trade cautiously. Don't over leverage yourself. Don't even open a long position. Right now, the market is very uncertain. Over $6-7 trillion has been wiped out from the stock market. Everyone needs to be very, very careful right now, honestly speaking. I have reduced my leverage on Solana from 2.8 all the way down to 2.5, just for you to see how scary it is right now. But the fact that it is scary doesn't mean that this is not the right time for you to go all in on Ethereum. This is the right time for you to buy buy the dip, guys. This is the perfect time to buy the dip. This is the perfect time for you to follow the Warren Buffett quote: when others are fearful, you buy. When others are greedy, you sell. That's all I have to say, guys. For more video content on Ethereum, for more market updates like this, do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, and share this video with your friends. Like this video, very, very important. Like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, share this video with your friends, guys. And also, if you're a trader, look for where to buy, platform where you could buy Ethereum, trade Ethereum on futures or derivative. Links are down below. Bybit, Get.io, and Weex. Use my link, sign up and trade. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful week. Bye.